My choice of drink tonight is going to be a raspberry jam smash. Of course, I'm gonna make that in a jam jar. And this raspberry jam that I got from the market today is my secret weapon in this cocktail. Jam in cocktails works so well. No need to add any extra sugar. It has so much extra flavor in there. Squeeze of lemon. This raspberry jam smash is going to feature some vodka. And while I was at the market, I met the sweetest berry grower. I brought home some raspberries. Even when you're making a cocktail, fresh is best. And my favorite part, shake. One last thing, I do like a spritzy cocktail for refreshing summer. Cheers. That hits the spot.